How's it going, everyone? This will be a recap of week number 4, trading the trade the pool equities evaluation. And I am up really good. I had a really good week. I am up now $5,800 in this evaluation. You can see right here, $5,800. I got about $2,000 left to pass the evaluation. I got the extra buying power plan, so my profit target is $7,800. And yeah, I had a really good week. It is Sunday the 11th, August 11th, and I'm doing this recap of the prior week. So jumping over here to TraderView, I just want to show you guys that everything lines up here. See TraderView, total gains and loss, $5,800. The platform says $5,800. So everything lines up here, just in full transparency. So I'll go over the calendar, and we're in August. So this is week number 2 in August. So this is a week that I'm going to recap here. As you can see, I had a great week. $4,800 I made this week, and yeah, I've been following my playbook. I've been following all the rules, and yeah, it's been paying off. So Monday the 5th, I made $1,275. Tuesday, I made $1,435. Wednesday, I did not trade. I did not have time. I had to do a lot of stuff on Wednesday, so I did not trade the 7th. The 8th, I made $716. And the 9th, closing out the week, Friday the 9th, up $1,402 with a total P&L for this week, for the second week of August of $4,828. So yeah, just go over and recap some of the trades. So this is Monday the 5th. You can see my daily running P&L, my intraday P&L here. Started up, I was pretty much red. Started up, most of the trades I took in the morning were red. I was almost down $500, and I made a great comeback. Just kept trading, following my strategy, and yeah, made a great comeback, closing out the day. Granted that this P&L chart here, this is actually gross P&L, so that doesn't factor in commissions, as I mentioned in some of my other videos. But yeah, closing out the day, if you look over here, net P&L, $1,275 for Monday. Had a winning percent. Now this is interesting. Had a winning percent of 37%. So I won 37% of my trades. Had a total of 24 trades, and just briefly going over these. My goal is to not risk more than $200 per trade, and I've been making it pretty much, right. This Tesla was a $192 loss. Had some winners, but one thing to note with the strategy that I've been utilizing here is that I'm moving my stop to break even really quick. So I'm taking a lot of, I guess you could say, break even trades, and my profits are the profitable trades. I'm usually doing 2 to 4R on my profitable trades, right? So I can see this Tesla trade here, $400, another $400 on Tesla, and yeah, I mean, a lot of these trades I'm hitting 2R, so I'm really happy about my risk reward metrics on the strategy that I've been utilizing. So yeah, I mean, you can see some nice big green trades in here, which if I'm risking $200 or $160, these are some good numbers. So my winning percentage probably could be better, but I'm happy with it and how it's playing out here. Let me blow this up right quick. Go back, and then over here to Tuesday, and this only 2 trades on Tuesday. 100. This is a good win rate, right? 100%. Love that. So 2 trades on Tuesday, 100% win rate. Both trades were winning trades, and profited $1,435. 1 trade on Nvidia, $520. Another trade on Tesla, great trade. Like I said, if I'm risking around $200, this is a great trade, right? I mean, this is what, 5-hour trade, give or take, 5 hours on it. So yeah, Tuesday was a great day. And go over here, pop over. Like I said, Wednesday, no trades on Wednesday. Pop over here to Thursday, the 8th. First 2 trades. I believe this is correct. Yeah. So first 2 trades, I was down $270, give or take. I don't know why this intraday P&L says only 96, but I locked in $270, loss, right off the open, right? And yeah, these other 3 trades, 1 break even here on 2 actually, right? Two break even trades. Not going to count $4 in profit. Yeah, I mean, this trade made these 2 losses back, and then I had a great trade on Nvidia, $664 to end the day up $716 net, right? 50%, 50% win-loss ratio. So, yeah, really, because if you don't count these 2 trades, I had these 2 trades right here are break even. So I had 2 profitable trades and 2 losing trades. And as you can see, I mean, my loss here on the video was $100, and then losing $168 on Tesla. I mean, these are some 3-hour trade, 4-hour trade, and then this Tesla's 2-hour, give or take. So yeah, another great day Tuesday. I mean, that was Thursday, excuse me, Thursday the 8th. And jumping over here to Friday the 9th. No drawdown for a lot of break-even trades, right? First Tesla trade, break even. Took a trade on Nvidia, break even. And I'll go over that in a second, but yeah, break even here on Nvidia. Killer Tesla trade right here. I'll just open it up and show you guys. This was actually a green to red move on Tesla. I took a short right as price broke below the previous day's closing price. So it was green, and then it dropped, it turned red. Sell stop right below 199. These charts can't really illustrate this, but yeah, sell stop right below 199, and could have probably had a limit order, early morning lows, but I did take it out as price just flushed to those lows. I closed out the trade, and I could have probably made another couple $100 on the trade, probably about $100, give or take. But yeah, as price just, this 1 minute candle, price just flushed down on this volume spike here. I took it out. I tried to get it around 196.50. Got it actually above that. But yeah, needless to say, really good trade. Did not take no heat. Look at the the running P&L here. Excuse me. Yeah, the running P&L on this trade did not take no heat whatsoever. 500 shares. And yeah, a beautiful trade for a $1,000 profit. And like I said, in the exit efficiency, I could have probably done a little bit better at exiting the trade. I mean, it tagged the low, the early morning low, and then it did go up, and chopped around a bit. So, I'm happy with it. I feel like I got a good out on it. So, Let me pop back over here to Friday. So yeah, that was a Tesla trade, and then I lost $140 on Tesla. Took another trade, and then my final trade was $467. So with an overall net P&L on Friday of $1,400. Had 5 trades, 60% accuracy, and yeah, overall, I mean, it's you know, I feel like my trading has been improving. Not just been sticking to the rules, and yeah, going over here to the reports. So I'm at net, not gross. I got one tag selected, which is my second take at the trade the pool evaluation. You know, like my previous videos. So this is just, you know, this account here, this evaluation. This is all the data that's pulling in this evaluation, and yeah, I mean, you know, net daily P&L for the past 30 days, and you know, I got less than 30 days worth of data in here. As you can see, if I move over to, you know, 30, 60 days, it's the same. So this is my 4th week trading this evaluation. But yeah, I mean, I've been on a really winning streak here. So yeah, I want to keep up the momentum. As I mentioned, I only have $2,000 practically left to go. So I hope I'm able to pass this account this coming week. I have till the 28th before I really have to repurchase the account to keep this progress, which I really truly believe now I will be able to pass this evaluation hopefully next week, but for sure, you know, in the next 2 weeks. So before the 28th of August. And as you can see, my accumulated P&L, I mean, it's been a little bit rough ride. Last month was, you know, what was it, 2-3 weeks that I was trading this account last month. It was just up and down. I was trying different strategies, and if any of you guys watched my previous video of the account update, which I placed last Sunday, you know, I was pretty much up about $1,000 in this account. But you know, I kind of went through why I wanted to draw down, you know, trying different strategies or whatnot, different things, and just trying to figure out what really works for me. And I think I nailed it. So I'm real happy. Like I said, this is nice performance here. It's a nice P&L graph. It was a little bit choppy, you know, off the bat, but you know, making some really, really good progress now. You go over here to details, and I'll show you guys. So yeah, as I mentioned, I'm up $5,800. Largest gain was $1,000. Largest loss was $536 to be exact. Average daily gain loss. So my average, and that's where I want to sit at my average. I want to be at $400. So my average, you know, my average daily P&L is $400. That's my goal. Excuse me. That's my goal. So I'm almost there. $344. So average trade. So I'm making about $26 on average per trade. Got 200, and total trades is 220. Average hold time for scratch trades is, you know, less than a minute, and that's because I move my stop loss to break even really, really quick. And that's what I was gonna say. I've been making a lot of shorts this past week on my trade of the day. So you know, my best trade, I make a short. So if you guys are interested in that, you know, check out my shorts. Show you how I kind of been trading, and I'm really quick now to move my stop loss to break even. And you know that I've always been a momentum based trader. I trade momentum. So and it's kind of been hard to do with the trade the pool because of the whole 60-second rule. But I think I got it nailed down quick. I mean, if I do take a stop on a trade, okay, well, so be it. But I'm trying to hold, for at least 2 minutes on these trades, a minute and a half, because a lot of times I'm nailing my entry and I get the momentum in my favor, and then I quickly move stop to break even. I mean, it doesn't work all the time, of course, but majority of the time I do get a decent momentum based move in my favor where I'll be up 50 cents on a trade, and I'm trading large cap, so as sure you guys know, 50 cents on Tesla is really nothing, right? With a ATR of what is it, like $12 or something right now, right? So you can get 50 cents really quick on a momentum based move, and then I move my stop to break even and see if I can't catch a dollar, or whatever strategy or whatever plan that I'm trading at that time, depending if it's on $1, $2 move, and just trying to trail momentum, pretty much, I guess you could say, right? So yeah, that's my average hold time on scratch trades is less than a minute. So number of scratch trades 10, trade standard deviation. As you go over here, average daily volume, average winning trades. So this is what I really like, right? My average winning trade is $227. Okay. My average losing trade is $105. So for me, even though I'm not at, let's say, a 50% win-loss ratio, okay, I'm still losing more trades than I'm winning, but I'm making over $100 or over 1 times my risk when I'm right than when I'm wrong. So that's how I'm pretty much profitable, right? So yeah, my largest losing trade is $105. Largest winning trade is $227. And for me, I'm really happy about those numbers. The number of winning trades is 84 or 38%. Number of losing trades is 57. Okay. And sometimes you got to do that, right? I mean, when you're trying to make 2, 3, 4R on a trade, you're sacrificing your, let's say, your batting average, right? So your batting average might not be 70, 80%, but you're making 2, 3, 4 times when you're right than when you're wrong. So for me, I am happy. I would like to increase this number. I would like to get like 50%. If I could do 50% and maintain a 2R, that would be great. That's gonna be my goal, and I'm gonna try to work on it. Maybe taking less trades and taking trying to play quality setups versus not so much. You got your A plus trades, your A trades, your B trades. Maybe trying to stay away from the B, and C trades, and stick to the A and A plus trade setups, right? And I think that would increase my my winning percent here. Average hold time for winning trades is 4 minutes. I do not think that's actually, and my average. I'm usually out, I would say, like I said, 2 minutes. I think I'm really out, in 2 minutes. But there has been some trades that I've actually held for 5 minutes, 8 minutes, whatnot. Trying to, like that Tesla trade I showed you, where it was a green to red move, and I actually held that all the way down to low of day. And that's why I ended up booking my profits. Average hold time on losing trades is 1 minute. So same thing with the scratch trades, right? If the trade doesn't work out, I'm either stopping out or I'm trying to take a small loss on that trade. So So yeah, consecutive wins 4, consecutive losers is 10. K ratio, profit factor here, total fees. I mean, yeah, trade the pool. They do their commission. They do have commissions, right? So their commission structure is equivalent to interactive brokers. So anybody that trade with interactive brokers or have traded in the past with interactive brokers, their pro account. I know they do have what they call interactive brokers light account. That light account is commission free trading, and I don't think they through that account. I don't think they offer traders. What is it? I have a IBKR account. It's Traders Workstation, I believe it is, and they don't offer the API, so you can't use like Dash Trader with the interactive brokers light account. So I always use the pro account, and their commission trade the pool's commission structure is exactly like interactive brokers. So needless to say, I have accumulated $1,000 in commissions, which is fine. Yeah, so I mean, not much to say here. Let's see, performance by hour of day. I'm doing great off the open. Most of my trades now have been, between 9:30 and 10. So the first 30 minutes of trade, I guess more towards the, 1, 2, well, even 1, but let's say 2, 3 o'clock. I've been losing money, which I have not taken many trades at this hour, midday. And that's understandable. If I'm trading a momentum-based strategy, the momentum's going to be early in the morning. So anything really, lunchtime and beyond is, trading large caps and, no news. It's not going to get much momentum at those times. So let's go to instruments, right? So yeah, the instruments, performance by symbol. Tesla, yeah, probably made majority of the money in Tesla, right? I have made majority of my money in Tesla. So Tesla, I'm actually up $5,600. Apple, I'm up $817. Nvidia, I'm up $54. Now I was down. I mean, this was like $2,000 red in Nvidia. But I've been trading NVIDIA too a lot, and NVIDIA's been working out. Its ATR is really high now. It has been high, but NVIDIA's been offering some really great opportunities. Then this ARM trade, and then AMD, which I haven't been trading AMD. It's just been for this momentum strategy that I've been trading. AMD's really not. You get a lot of wicks, I feel like, right? So if you get into a trade, let's say a break below, a previous candle, 1 minute candle low, a lot of times it'll come back in and then maybe go. So that's not really what I'm trying to do. I want to, when it breaks, if I get let's say an entry candle and I take a break, of that candle's high or low, I want to see momentum really carry, and then that way I could hurry up and then move my stop loss to break even and try to get a nice move out that play. And AMD, I just feel like it's not really the ideal stock to be trading like that. And then so yeah, needless to say, market behavior, win-loss ratio 40%, losing 60% of my trade. And like I said, I'm doing a lot of break-even trades in here too. $13,000 in losses, $19,000 in gains. So yeah, no drawdown, been flat. So yeah, no, I'm really happy about this past week and how I've traded. I'm making some real good progress now in this account, and yeah, like I said, hopefully next week I will be able to pass this account. If I get a couple good days of trading next week. Now, granted, I have the whole month of August, I have all green days. Okay, and historically in my trading, every time I get on a green streak like that, I always have a big red day. I mean, that's not good. It's not good to say, but just historically, I mean, even trading my own personal account, I have shutoffs in my own personal account too. Times that I stopped. I will stop trading. I put them in there. I contact my broker and I put them in. Same thing here with Trade the Pool. I can't lose more than $1,300 in a day. If I lose $1,300 in a day, they automatically stop you from trading. You don't fail the evaluation. That's another great thing about Trade the Pool. They don't fail you, and they really don't fail you for breaking any rules. You can't really break a rule and then fail you. If you hold a trade, if you get a good move, you hold a trade for less than, if you have a good profitable trade and it's less than 60 seconds, the trade just won't be counted. Okay, they don't fail you for that. If you have a trade that exceeds 30% of your profit objective, they don't fail you for it. They just don't count it. I mean, some don't like that. I personally not the huge fan of the whole 60-second rule, but it is what it is, right? And the best thing is they don't fail you. They have no trailing drawdown. If they did have a trailing drawdown, I would have blown this account the first couple of weeks trading it, because I was up almost $1,000 on the account, and then I went down to about $3,000 before I'm now back up 5,800. Okay, so if they had a trailing drawdown, I would have failed the account. I can tell you that right now. But they don't have a trailing drawdown. It's not intraday. It's not end of day. It's a fixed trailing drawdown. Now, for me to blow this account right now, I have to lose $5,800 in profit, and then I have to get in drawdown another $3,900 for me to blow the account. So, I mean, I would have to lose like $10,000, give or take, for me to blow this account right now, which, I mean, not saying it can't be done, but, the likelihood and the way I'm trading out, I mean, the likelihood is very low, right? Knock on wood. So yeah, next week is Monday the 12th through the 16th, which will be, Monday through Friday next week. That will be week 5 trading this evaluation. And as I mentioned, I have till the 28th to pass the account. And if I don't pass by the 28th for whatever reason, then I could just repurchase the account and then keep my progress and have another 45 days of trading. So yeah, that's fine. Like I said, I got practically 2 weeks left to make $3,000, and even if I take it light, take it slow, I should be able to pass this account. So yeah, no, that's this is week 4. Trading the Trade the Pool evaluation, and I think I'm gonna leave it here. And yeah, if you guys stuck through this video, check out my shorts. Like I said, I've been placing, I've been uploading a lot of shorts lately on my best trades, some of my trade setups, how I've been trading this past week. They're interesting. And I believe they'll provide a lot of value, just seeing how I'm doing things. I know everybody's different. I know everybody's style of trading is different. As I mentioned, I'm trading momentum. That's just my style. It's fast paced. I don't like to sit in drawdown, so I make bad decisions when I'm in drawdown. And the way I've been trading now, I'm just trying to hurry up and get to break even on a trade. And that way I'm not in drawdown, or I'm not sitting through drawdown. I'm trading, the 1 minute chart. I have my eye all the time on the 5 minute and the 15-minute chart. And of course, longer term levels, excuse me, longer term levels are very important. So I'm mapping out my levels, and, I've been really trading the same stocks. I've been doing really good on Tesla and Nvidia. I could kind of gauge the movement. I'm watching the cues and the spies. So, I could really, I really kind of like, how I'm trying to say, I understand how those stocks move, right? Tesla and Nvidia, I'm confident when I get into a trade. They don't all work out, of course. You see, I have losing trades, but I'm not trying to lose more than $200. And most of the trades that I'm hitting four, five, $800, $1,000, trades. So I mean, I'm doing really great on my risk versus reward, and like I said, I'm trying to improve my accuracy a bit. But to improve the accuracy, like this Monday here, Monday the 5th, I had 24 trades, and to improve the accuracy is just probably more so focusing on quality setups or higher quality setups. But yeah, needless to say, yeah, check out the shorts. I mean, you guys might be interested in it. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. So this is week 4, trading the trade the pool evaluation, up $5,800, and only have $2,000 left to go to pass this evaluation, and I'm really looking forward to it. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I will, if I do pass this week, I will for sure, let you guys know. I will make another video and go from there. So I appreciate you guys, appreciate your time, and yeah, thank you much, and be back soon.